You guys, hello! Welcome back to my channel. It has been a few weeks now since I've posted a video and a lot has changed. Basically just my appearance. So I chopped off my hair, I colored it, I got rid of everything that was dead. I was just tired of it. So I am looking different, but I am loving it and I just feel more edgy. I feel like I have a real hairstyle and it's a lot more fun. So today what we're going to be doing is a video on empties because I have waited so long since I did the last one and I have accumulated quite a few empty products here, so I'm going to be talking about them. Today there is actually no makeup empties in this, so it's just skincare, hair care, and body, so basically like shower and skincare. So let's just jump right into it. We are going to start with what I have used in the shower and have used it in full. The first thing is something that's from the drugstore and it's freaking awesome. This smell is beautiful. So it says that it's passion fruit and fiery orange rose. This is a body wash. Caress world class perfume, or so they say. This is only a few dollars and like it says on here, it literally does linger on your body so long after you take a shower. Oh my gosh. This is one of my favorite smells because it's like vanilla and kind of musky, but it also has that slight bit of sugary, sweet fruitiness to it. Very deep, very passionate smell. Like, I just wish my body smelled like this all the time. It smells so good and I really love this. So I finished that. Usually finish one of those every few months. And then while I had my blonde hair, I was using some Kristen S products. So the first one is the purple shampoo. So it looks like this. They sell these at Target, and this is a toning shampoo for blonde hair. I would use this to kind of take out the brassiness in my blonde hair so it'd help it stay more cool toned. I will say, because I also have the purple conditioner here, so there's a shampoo and a conditioner. You do have to be careful with these because if you're like me and you don't know that much about hair, my sister would bleach my hair because she's a hair colorist, and then I would use these. I was using these every time I showered and it was causing my hair to become a little bit actually purple. Like it had a tinge of purple in it. And I didn't necessarily like that all the time. Sometimes I was into it when I wanted to have a little bit more of like a silvery or purpley finish to my hair, but it definitely didn't look as natural. So do be careful and, you know, use them only as frequently as you need to. But these are awesome. I love Kristen S products. They are sold at Target, like I said, and the smell of these, so she has a signature fragrance, which I actually Instagrammed Kristen S the other day about her fragrance. Oh my gosh, because it's like the most clean, crisp smelling hair products ever. Like, you know, when you walk by someone and you smell their hair, it's freshly washed and it just like wafts in the air. That is how these smell. They smell so good. I really love them. And I finished those up, which is a good thing because I don't have blonde hair anymore. And the next thing I have is also a hair product. To be honest, I don't think this did anything. It is one of those hair masks that is like no sulfates, no synthetic dyes. It's vegan, it's eco-friendly. It has coconut water, aloe juice, no silicones, no parabens, no gluten, no SLS, which is a type of a sodium lauryl sulfate, so another sulfate. But this is the Maui Moisture Hair Mask for dry, damaged hair. So it comes in a little tub like this. Ooh, it's a little crusty. There's still some scent in there though, it's all the way gone. It smells like coconut. It's nice. To be honest though, when it comes to hair stuff, I'm not like, it has to be natural. I don't like it when it has too much silicone in it because I've been told by people like my sister-in-law and people that do hair that you shouldn't use silicones in your hair. It's a false way of making your hair feel softer, but it actually coats your hair with silicones and doesn't allow your hair to breathe or grow as well or stay as healthy. So I get why they don't use silicones, but I'm fine if there's some, how should I phrase this? Chemical properties, like made in a laboratory that are gonna help my hair repair itself, because I don't really believe that just adding coconut oil in every hair product is like the magical ingredient. So was the mask fine? Yes. Did it smell good? Yes. Did it do anything noticeably to my hair? No, not that I know of. So there's that. The last body product I have is from Bath and Body Works, and this is a bath and body oil. So you can put it in your bath or you can put it straight onto your body, which is primarily what I did. But this is the Amber and Argan body oil, and okay, it gets very oily, so top's not really coming off. But anyways, it smells so good. So this is like kind of along the same lines of the smell as the Passionate Spell Caress body wash, but a little bit more, not spicy, warm, a little bit more warm smelling, a little toastier. So I really love this. Again, this does have a lot of oils in it. It does have like definitely quite a few ingredients in here that are made in a lab. Does it really moisturize your skin? Yes. Is it a wet oil? Yes. You're gonna feel it on your skin, so if you don't like that, don't buy it, but I really do like the smell of it, and it's kind of luxurious every once in a while. The next thing I have, the next three things I have that are empty are for my face. So I showed this in a haul that I had bought. It's the Pixie by Carolyn Hirons Double Cleanse. So I finished this. It smells, I don't know why I smell it. It smells like nothing. It smells like oil. But it's a solid balm cleanser and then a cleansing cream. There's like an oil and then a cream, and so you use the oil first and then you wipe your face off, and then you use the cream and then you wipe that off. I'm not going to purchase this again. I bought this at Target. It was, I think, $22. And to be honest, I'm using a No. 7 cleanser right now that has AHA acids, and I like it way better. This, I don't like dipping my fingers into a tub, especially when I use the second cream part of this and I have like mascara fingers, and it's just gross. Like, I don't want to stick my hands into my clean cleanser when I have mascara and foundation and a bunch of goop all over my hands. So I will not be repurchasing this. It felt nice, but it's just not my speed. Then I have something that I had for a very long time that I just finished, and honestly right by the expiration date. Expires at the end of this month. But the Ceramidian Dr. Jart liquid. So this is for dry skin. It's basically a serum that is supposed to seal in moisture in your skin and comfort your skin if you have very dry, irritated, dehydrated skin. So I liked it. This is what it looks like. You can purchase it at Sephora. I will not be repurchasing it because I have plenty of other skincare products right now, and to be honest, I did not see that large of a difference in terms of how my skin looked or felt for dehydration and dryness when I used that serum. So that will not be something I repurchase. A lot of these are not things I will repurchase. Interesting. And the final thing I have is something I buy every so often when I just like get the itch to buy it, because I have used it now. I think this is the third tub I've been through, but it is the Belief the True Cream Aqua Bomb. So it looks like this. Again, I'm just not into the jar packaging lately. It's just not good. Why would you use a jar when you can have a pump? It's easier, it's more hygienic, and it allows the actual ingredients to stay airtight, so they're more effective and more potent. So I will not be repurchasing this, but this has Lady's Mantle, which is an herb in it that supposedly provides you with long-lasting hydration. It feels really nice when you put it on, because I will tell you it is a blue cream. First of all, there are dyes in here that make it blue. So I don't really love that, but it is a blue cream that feels like water instantly to the skin. Like, it feels like it's pumping up your skin. It feels super nice. It sinks in really quickly, so if you do have oily but dry skin, this would be a perfect cream for you. but for me, it's not enough hydration. I need something thicker. I need something to put on my skin that when I wake up in the morning, I'm gonna feel like I still have a little something there. This does not do it for me, but it is a good product. And if you do have oily skin, but you get dry areas of your face, whether because you have spots that are drying up or whatever the case is, that may be a moisturizer that you like to try, and it's not super expensive. So it's kind of in the middle of a price point range that's not outrageous. You can buy that at Sephora. Those are all of my empties at the moment, and they're all gonna go in the recycling now, so I can get them out of the way. But I'm glad to be back, and I hope to do some more videos soon. We're coming into the holidays. Like for instance, today I have some nice sparkle on my eyes, and I have been posting on my Instagram more pictures of just like my eye look or my lip look, and not necessarily a whole face of makeup. So I am sharing products that I really enjoy and looks that I'm really enjoying on my Instagram, which is just at Cassie Wickland. So do check that out. The link is also in the description box. Links for these products will be in the description box, and I will see you soon. Please consider subscribing if you are not already, because I will be posting more and I like to share what I know. So thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing and becoming part of the fam, and I will see you soon. Bye!